Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about 5 best 4K action cameras that you can buy. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today we are going to talk about 5 best 4K action cameras that you can buy. Besides their 4K video recording capacity, what's best about these cameras is their compact size. They can easily fit inside your pocket, and they have additional features like special time-lapse, hyperlapse modes. So without any further delay, let's get into our 5 best cameras. First on the list is obviously the GoPro, and the GoPro Hero 8 is the top favorite because of its customizable menus, cageless design, and improved software. With its hyper smooth image stabilization and the ability to capture raw images in the time-lapse mode, this camera beats almost any camera in the action camera zone. Priced at around 36,500, it features 12 megapixel image resolution, 1080p live streaming, 2-inch intuitive touchscreen, night time-lapse mode, waterproof up to 33 feet, and many such cool features. Here comes Hero 8's younger brother, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. It is priced at around 36,000 and it does not have the custom menu options of Hero 8, but it features the same sensor size and lens. The lens housing is compatible with almost all types of useful third-party extras like lens filters. In addition to the stabilized hyperlapses, it offers great dynamic range, super photo, and 12 separate voice commands. It looks and feels like OSMO Action is a direct competitor to the Hero 7, and it does a great job in giving the Hero 7 a run for its money. Priced at around 33,999 rupees, the OSMO Action has excellent image stabilization and an HDR video mode that allows you to open up the shadows in difficult backlit scenes. It is also compatible with most action camera mounts and accessories. Another waterproof camera on the list is the Olympus TG5, priced at around 69,086 rupees. It is freeze-proof up to minus 14 degrees Fahrenheit, crush-proof up to 220 pounds, waterproof to a depth of 50 feet, and shock-proof up to 7 feet. Means you can't destroy this camera very easily. It is very good for underwater macro photography because its macro mode allows you to focus from 1 centimeter to infinity. The Insta360 Go is a thumb-sized camera that's meant to be worn. It comes in a magnetic pendant that you can wear around your neck under your shirt so you can record all the way while you are moving. Priced at around 39,990 rupees. It has only one button, and once you press it, you can record a 30-second video. Long press it and it allows you to perform various functions. So guys, these are the best 4K action cameras that you can buy, and if you found this video to be useful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which videos you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous video, best entry-level DSLRs. Please do check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.